All right, here we are in a beautiful Boise, Idaho morning, slightly overcast, looking at a 1949 Ford Club Coupe. We're gonna cruise around and tell you about it like we usually do. Finished in a really nice burgundy metallic, resting on a body-off frame style restoration. It's about 20 years ago. Very nicely done. Beautiful, wonderful straight body on it. Out back here it has a few mild upgrades on it. It has a Ford 8-inch rear differential out back. Parallel leaf springs, so factory style suspension out back. It is actually a custom trim level 49. You'll catch the badging here on the side. Ford Custom. Has brand new tires on it, big O tires. We'll get those sizes when we're up on the lift. Chrome reverse wheels with baby moon hubcaps. Going along with the mild upgrades underneath the hood is a Ford 302 V8. Just a nicely little dressed, reasonable horsepower underneath the hood. Up front it has standard factory suspension. It's been upgraded with Burgundy power steering. Has power brake. Has a Ford FMX automatic transmission. Step back and let you take a look here. And of course we just mentioned the rear end out back. You gotta love the nose on one of these. They're just beautiful. Good little cruiser this one is. All the factory trim levels still in place. Has nice peep mirrors both sides. Slight pinstripe scrolling, which is on the surface. You'll love the Art Deco style of this car. The dash, beautiful factory dash, finished body color, the burgundy metallic. Nice finished burgundy carpet. Cloth interior. Doors shut nice, body's extremely straight. Step back and let you take a look here, kind of do a sweep of the side, and then we'll get to the back. Too much fun. License plate fits it well, fine 49. It's not perfect, it's not brand new, but it is a very nice little cruiser that you can definitely drive. We've been in the trunk and we share the trunk with you. Really nice how the trunk feature works here. You have to unlock it, but it goes down in the handle here. The lock does work on the trunk. Nice and tidy, just like the rest of the car. Wool style carpet, trimmed out. It's got jute padding underneath. Original floor, solid. Nice little jack bag here. Bottom side of the deck lid's finished. Dual exhaust out back. We'll fire it up here for you. Get into the driver's side behind the seat. Fuel fill, factory location. Again, not modified, custom trim level. Back seat, plenty of room for passengers. Give you a peek of the headliner and the visors. Tilt steering column. LeCarra steering wheel. This is a little LED that's on when the cooling fan's on. Comes on automatically. About a half a tank of fuel. Oil pressure's working. Temp gauge is down there below the dash. The one in the cluster does not work. We never test radios. Got a little Sun Pro tack down on the column here. It's idling about 700 or 800 RPMs. Take it for a little drive with you. nice and tidy. You'll see the finish follows all the way through, firewall. Fender aprons are nicely dressed off. So Ford 302 V8, just some mild horsepower underneath the hood. Has an Edelbrock torquer style intake manifold, aluminum, AFB Edelbrock carburetor on it, MSD ignition. Has factory style exhaust manifolds, power brakes with a dual reservoir master cylinder. An ideal to fit and finish here. AGM battery underneath the hood here. Factory style radiator. Coolant reservoir tank right there. Has an electric cooling fan. Nice and stout, no overheat issues. Tidy wiring, all heat shrinked. Get a better look over here, the exhaust manifold. So dual exhaust out the back. Cast iron style exhaust manifolds. Factory style heater plenum. You'll see the heater hoses going through there. We'll fire it up here for you. Burn like a kitten. Still cold this morning. Find 49 up on the lift here for you and kind of go around the outside. Chrome reverse wheels, big O all-season tires, 23rd week of 2023 date codes on all of them. All season, you'll see it's all original rock solid rockers. The tire size here for you, it is a 205/70 R15 all the way around. Custom trim level. (205/70 R15 out back also, 2023 date codes. Find 49 will get you the undercarriage here. Resting on a body off style restoration. As far as we know, it was done about 20 years ago in Oregon. Rock solid original body, mild upgrades, that type of thing. Has factory parallel leaf springs out back. Nice upgraded rear differential. It's a Ford 8-inch 355 posi out of a Mustang. All the inner rockers and floor pans are all original, wonderfully solid car. Body off frame. Dual exhaust exits out back. Those appear to be Midas mufflers. Has a Ford FMX automatic transmission. These are early version. They have a dipstick and fill tube that's on the pan. Cast iron case, aluminum bell housing. Bottom side of the 302 has power drum brakes all the way around. Drums up front. They've hammer tone finished the control arms, all new Zerks, fittings, bushings, that type of thing. Here's the Borgenson steering box. Has a stabilizer bar up front, all OEM, other than the upgraded power steering. FMX transmission. Again, all solid rockers. Included items here is a full restoration book on this one. Neat little shows how it's a body off frame. During the paint process, down to bare metal. And of course it takes you back to the end. You'll see the suspension was reworked here, chassis, the Mustang motor. And it actually gets into some of the underbody, jam painting. And then here is a, nice little log book that the new owner or current owners put together. This is a 1986 Mustang. It's 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 a 19 There's the basic equipment there. He's had alignment done because he installed Borgenson steering. He's had the front brakes done, wheel cylinders, that type of thing. They are power brakes. The new tire receipts, battery. Make sure you go to Spud's Garage.